Alright, fuel system upgrade with a surge tank. What do we have here? It's like a nuclear reactor. Yay, I was expecting that. And I don't like this fuel line. Yeah, let's see what I have done up to now. We have the fuel from the fuel pump over there. Alright, it comes through this, fine, and it goes to the ethanol sensor. That's down here. Then from the ethanol sensor it moves inside of the supply. This has a filter, by the way. That means after the fuel pump there is a fuel filter, and it's filtering the petrol, the ethanol, in this case the E85, and it goes, like I said, it comes through this pipe to the ethanol sensor. From the ethanol sensor it's filling up the surge tank. Alright, then from the pump outlet here it goes to the inlet of the fuel filter, and then there is an outlet of the fuel filter that it comes to the fuel regulator here. I need another one fitting because I don't have for the fuel regulator from here to run it front. Why I put the fuel regulator back here?
Yes.
Because, what is?
I want to ask you also this one.
Because I cannot pass 3 pipes from there.
Yeah, this one I want, because the customer asked me.
Yeah.
My idea with you first one when I
No, see what's happening. There is no another hole to pass it safe, you know, so big fuel line. So I have to chop the chassis.
Okay.
You know the point? Like this, they're not gonna have any problem because we're talking about 3 pumps. Alright? Even the setup, to me at least, is not right. You're gonna see later on. But the regulator will gonna be here. We're gonna bring a pipe back here for a boost reference that will not gonna be flexible, it's not gonna be like a rubber pipe like this. Alright, it's gonna be hard line to be as fast as possible. Don't be like a balloon, the pipe. Alright, wait, where was I? I was from the fuel filter to the fuel regulator. From the fuel regulator, from this side, it's gonna continue front. I don't have the fitting, that's why I didn't connect it. The regulated fuel is gonna be from down here and gonna enter inside of the surge tank on the return here. Fine. Then the pressure gauge is gonna be sideways from this side. You can adjust it and you're gonna see from here. And the pipe is gonna be from this side. I might run it outside, I might run it inside. We're gonna see. Alright, now why I don't like this fuel line? Very simple. Where I have it. Let me see where I put it, where I put the remaining pipe. Where it went? It's not here, it's not there, it's nowhere. Ah, it's over there. Alright, alright. It might be okay, alright? But I don't know if when I'm gonna crimp it, if it's gonna be fine, to be honest. Because I'm planning to crimp it. You see, even the sleeves are big here. When it comes the guy for crimping the lines, I will gonna ask him if it has a good grip, this one. Otherwise we might use this, like what I use here. Alright, that's like this. This comes nice and tight inside, and when you crimp it, it has a good grip. This I have never used before. I have never used in the past, this line. Alright. So that's the status. The sensor, Mr. Nufu, he extended for me the wiring from there. Alright. The bracket for the pressure sensor, for the regulator, it's here. I already fixed the studs for the fuel filter. Alright. It's not final what you see here, obviously. The bottom plate need to be painted at the end. I need to put the rubbers, like I said. Need to remove everything. 101. Need to remove everything again. Alright. And at the end I need to fix a cover up here to hide all this mess. You know, without the pipes and without the wiring, it's gonna be nice. I need also the wiring. I need also the fuse box that's gonna come here. At this point, it's gonna come the fuse box with the 6 relays inside. I'm gonna use only 4. I mentioned that on the previous video. Just saying. So, yeah, that's the reason why I didn't pass the main fuel line till front. Why I didn't pass it? Because I don't know if we're gonna crimp it properly, if it's gonna be fine. We're gonna see. Alright, Then front, and why I said that doesn't matter where it's gonna be the fuel regulator. I'm gonna show you why. Alright, from here I'm gonna remove the fuel filter, alright, and then I have to put from a 10 millimeter inner diameter pipe to 7.8, how much is the stock one, and I have to put with a clamp here. Alright, so that's why I'm saying again, you're gonna have 8 bar of fuel pressure at 7.8 inner diameter pipe. So if you're asking me, it's pointless all this what I'm doing, but yeah, I said before the first video they're gonna be completely different if you supply, let us say, the high pressure pump and the low pressure injectors, and then you put a T and then you give to the fuel regulator, so to have direct pressure, but not in this case. Not in this case. In this case, like I said, it's gonna come till here. Yes, and then we're gonna connect it here on the supply. End of story. Back over here, yeah. Alright. I need to send this as a sample to find the same piece like this, same color, same texture, to be able to fix at the end the cover up and the seats and the cables. Yay! The cables here are gonna be routed through this pipe and gonna be under the plate. It's gonna come from there. Here I make the pin out from the relay, so this will gonna go to the new relay, to the fuse box. Alright, and this will gonna be connected with a leveler for the methanol tank. Fine. The cable for the pump, I have it inside of the engine room. Let's go inside to see what I have inside, by the way. Yeah, standing by for the guy to crimp the lines. Yes, it's a small update, just let's go to see inside. Okay, what I have here, I have the new plastic nuts. Why I get new plastic nuts? Because these nuts, they're coming without threads. You are creating the threads when you're bolting it down, and I want to be new, and I want to create the threads to have a maximum grip, to don't have any headache. It's the same like the Mercedes, BMW, Volkswagen, Audi. It's exactly the same. Fine. So new nuts are here. These two, it's for the fuse box when it arrives, to find the place and make the hole. This is for the fuel filter, washer and self-locking nut. Alright, this one, it's the positive and the ground for the methanol pump. Has this pipe. This I remove it from the relay that will gonna be on the fuse box, and this is a ground. This I'm gonna put it most probably on the plate. Come on, on the plate, on the bottom plate that I have fixed aluminum plate, because it's gonna be grounded, so don't be on the air. So don't have to make anything. I don't have to slice or something. I might solder the terminal here because it's not been soldered. It's been only crimped. Then this one, the positive, I don't have to use it because the relay is gonna have its own positive. Alright, that's the status. Small update. Yeah, small update for the fuel system upgrade.